Welcome back to our business series. Today, we're diving into the topic of starting a limited liability company, LLC, in the great state of New Mexico. If you've been considering launching your own business and want to explore the benefits of forming an LLC, you're in the right place. Stick around as we provide you with a detailed guide on how to start an LLC in New Mexico. Let's get started. Before we delve into the process, let's talk about why anyone should consider starting an LLC in New Mexico. Here are a few key reasons. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the primary advantages of forming an LLC is the personal liability protection it offers. By establishing an LLC, you separate your personal assets from those of the business. This means your personal finances, such as your home or savings, are protected in case your business faces legal issues or debts. 2. Flexibility and simplicity. LLCs in New Mexico offer a flexible business structure that is relatively easy to set up and maintain. Compared to other entities like corporations, LLCs have fewer formal requirements, making them an attractive option for small businesses and startups. 3. Tax benefits. New Mexico's tax laws are often favorable to LLCs. As an LLC owner, you can enjoy pass-through taxation, meaning the business itself doesn't pay taxes. Instead, profits and losses flow through to your personal tax return, potentially resulting in lower overall tax liability. 4. Privacy. New Mexico allows LLC members to maintain their privacy. You can use a registered agent to represent your company, which keeps your personal information confidential, providing an added layer of privacy and security. Now that we've discussed the benefits, let's walk through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC in New Mexico. Step 1. Choose a name. Choose a unique name for your LLC that complies with New Mexico's naming requirements. The name should include the words Limited Liability Company or an abbreviation like LLC. Conduct a name search on the New Mexico Secretary of State's website to ensure your chosen name is available. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Select a registered agent who will receive important legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in New Mexico and be available during business hours. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the New Mexico Secretary of State's office. This document includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, registered agent details, and principal place of business. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This agreement outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your business and helps prevent misunderstandings among members. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This unique number is used for tax purposes and is necessary if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. Step 6. Register for state and local taxes. Determine if your LLC needs to register for state and local taxes. Visit the New Mexico Taxation and Revenue Department's website to understand your tax obligations and complete the necessary registrations. Congratulations! You've successfully started your LLC in New Mexico. Remember, it's essential to fulfill ongoing requirements to maintain your LLC's good standing. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. Annual reports. File an annual report with the New Mexico Secretary of State, providing updated information about your LLC. This report is due by the anniversary month of your LLC's formation. Taxes. Stay compliant with federal, state, and local tax obligations. Pay attention to filing deadlines, sales tax requirements, and any other applicable taxes. Business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, you may need specific licenses and permits to operate your LLC legally. Research and obtain the necessary licenses to avoid any legal issues. Maintain separate finances. Keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a business bank account and use it solely for LLC transactions. This helps maintain the limited liability protection and simplifies accounting. Stay informed. Stay updated on any changes in New Mexico's LLC laws and regulations. Regularly check the New Mexico Secretary of State's website for any updates or requirements that may affect your LLC. Starting an LLC in New Mexico offers numerous benefits, including limited liability protection, flexibility, and potential tax advantages. By following the step-by-step guide we've provided, you can navigate the process with ease and set your LLC up for success. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a qualified attorney or business professional to ensure you're making the best decisions for your specific situation. Starting an LLC requires careful consideration, but with the right guidance, it can be a rewarding step towards entrepreneurship. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.